loves, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Also, make sure you go to my Instagram and follow me at Jamequa Stevens. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your Instagram videos. This can be helpful if you're running a business on Instagram and you want to draw in potential customers and keep the attention of your regular customers. This is just another way that I market and brand my business, along with using hashtags. This is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm going to be using three, I guess you can say, apps. We're going to be using Canva, we're going to be using iMovie, and we're going to be using YouTube MP3. Let's get right into this tutorial. Yesterday I posted a video on my Instagram and it was a before and after promoting to use my custom logo stickers on your products. This is before, it's all plain and stuff, and then this is an after. I like to add music to videos, especially because it just adds that extra but you can also add music to pictures, but this is what it looks like. So basically that's what the video consists of, and then it just shows her products and how good they look with my custom logo stickers on them. So we're gonna go to YouTube first, and then what you want to do is pick a song. So this is one. Get the URL, copy, then go to YouTube MP3. So you just paste it, and before you hit convert, decide if you want it to be an MP3 or MP4. This is also useful if you make reaction videos, how you can download the full video. But today we're using MP3 because we just want the music for our Instagram posts. So we're gonna convert, then we're gonna download it to our computer. And we're gonna head on over to iMovie. So this is the video right here. It's okay that it's a full screen video because when you put it in Canva, you can crop it. So we're gonna import select it and then bring it down. Now we're going to import Savage, and now we have it. And you can go through the song and crop where you want it to start, where you want it to end. Clip. Okay, so that it has that song on the video now. So we're gonna download it to our computer. We're gonna go back to Canva. We're done with YouTube MP3. So this is where you just design your flyer the way you want it. I just put in an empty picture right here. I'll let it process. It's up there. So the video is up now. Okay. So like I was saying, you see how this is a full screen video? You don't have to worry about it in Canva. You can always crop it, and there it goes. And we're gonna play it. And then you just download, make sure it's MP4 video. You download it and send it to your phone so you can upload it on Instagram. So it is that easy. That is how you can add music to your Instagram videos. It will definitely draw attention to your business. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.